So this is the final product that we end up. We have navigation, so we could go through different section. Post this one, let's say relaxing, get some suggestion, search for it, and we have all of those different videos. Let's open this one. So sometimes it takes AI time to generate the summary. Here is the video description. We could add some padding here, be nice, and then some statistics about the video itself. And then if we go and search for something like sports, if we go here and then show us the results and description about it and statistics. Create YouTube web application clone using YouTube API. Also use the Gemini API for AI features like video summary. Keep the same YouTube layout, but move the searching bar top right side. Also make a suggestion section depend on the mood of user. Let's see the summarization, video search, display, UI layout, application, video summarization, AI powered, utilize Gemini API, dynamic video suggestion, modify search bar placement. Okay, let's change the color. I found out this color, so I'm gonna crop the links and put it here. Use the following color schema. Okay, and now we go to the prototype this app. Okay, let's stop the video here and go back after the code has been generated. First of all, it has generated the new layout. This is amazing. About trends, description, library, maybe not yet. Okay, searching, beautiful. Let's see. Quite wonderful. Let's remove this one. Okay, so editing is not working. Also, we need to generate Gemini API key. So if you have already one, then most probably you're gonna paste it here. Otherwise, you press auto generate. So let's auto generate. Yes, so it's been generated beautifully, and also the error hasn't been vanished. Let's see again. Build, but deleted. All right, let's see if I go to, okay, there's AI summary. Let's see what's happening here. So it's give us the summary of the video itself. So I think it's working fine with the Gemini. But things that I don't like it, for example, if I press on this one, it's not go to the details. So could you please make each video on a press will go to on details and video view page. Let's see if it's been fixed. Okay, personal. Let's go a moment. Nothing's actually happened. So this is not working yet. So how about refresh the page? Okay, so yeah, it's worked but lacking at least. Can I play the video? No. How about, let's go back. How about fetching the real video? Let's actually fetch the actual YouTube video using YouTube API. Could you use YouTube API for fetching actual videos from YouTube rather than using mock videos? So simply you need to go to developers.google.com. Link will be in description, and then obtain authorization credentials and grab the key. After that, you need to go to the code itself and go to .env, so this file. After that, you need to go here and restart the app. So it seems has gathering the videos from YouTube. So how about go trends? I'm still experimentation here. So could you please fix the left slider, make it possible to close and open? Clicking on the video is not response that well. In other words, it's not open after I click it. Okay, let's see if it's going to be fixed or not. This button has been added. Open and close slider. Nice. And then if we click on this one, let's see. Okay, now it's come here. beautiful description. AI summary has been auto-generated. Okay, but we, for example, missing like, dislike, and so other YouTube features. The details page taking time to load might be the issue with the AI summary, because it takes time and yours can be open much faster. Also, I can't see the actions like button and other features from YouTube. Can you fix it? Those action has been added. Nice, but for example, how many likes and dislikes here not exist. Also, the save and sharing, as well as the description, is too much. So can you make description section closable, as well as the action can be moved under the video, not after the descriptions? Also show the AI summary before them. Okay, AI summary is the first, and then actions and description. Let's see if we could bring more statistic about the video. Can you provide more statistics about the video from YouTube API? Bring, for example, how many likes, how many comments, when it's been published. It's already there. But description, oh, I think this is not in the correct place. Maybe we can move it here. So the toggling button that for closing and opening the left sidebar to be inside the left bar at the left bottom. Okay, it's been moved here. So final feature is using AI to suggest videos depending on the mood. Can you add section for asking about the mood and make AI suggest video depending on that? It has this section, let's say relax, and suggestion. So relaxing nature sounds so beautiful. Nice. Let's open it in on tab. So this is the final product that we end up. We have navigation, so we could go through different section. Post that's one. Let's say relaxing, get some suggestion, search for it. And we have all of those different videos. Let's open this one. So sometimes it takes AI time to generate the summary. Here is the video description. We could add some padding here. Be nice, and then some statistics about the video itself. And then if we go and search for something like sports, if we go here and then show us the results and description about it and statistics. That was all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next one.